Hwacheon booth introduction. Founded in 1952 and still operating after 64 years, Hwacheon is a leading machine tools manufacturer that continues to serve clients under the company's vision to provide the world's best products and services. Let us show you a vivid reality of total solutions at work, where quality and production efficiency are enhanced through Hwacheon's own ICT-based smart manufacturing technology and Hwacheon Cloud. Sirius UL Plus. The standard 2016 Sirius UL Plus is a high-speed precision vertical machining center with a 600mm Y-axis. A bestseller in the molding industry, the 2016 Sirius UL Plus boasts significant performance upgrades from the previous model. HIT 360D. Specialized for high-quality parts machining, the HIT 360D is a high-efficiency tapping center that uses two tables. HIT 400. The HIT 400 is a high-speed tapping center that delivers high productivity for parts machining. HIT 400L5. The HIT 400L5 is a high-speed tapping center with a rotary table that enables simultaneous 5-axis machining without having to mount or unmount workpieces. C1. As the C1 comes with a standard tool changer turret and a magazine that stores lathe turning and milling tools, one C1 can process parts that require many tools and has flexibility to produce various parts. Mega 110. The Mega 110 is a new horizontal CNC turning center that was released in 2016. It is an upgrade from the Mega 0100, which has been sold in Korea and overseas. With a maximum turning diameter of pi 1100 millimeters and a length of 6 meters. LP840. The LP840 utilizes laser ablation machining technology to express diamond patterns or irregularly shaped leather pattern textures on the surface of molds after the molds have been machined. VT2000. The VT2000 is a new model that was released in 2016, featuring significant upgrades from previous models. H8. The H8 is a high-productivity horizontal machining center with an 800mm table. Its highly rigid structure allows hard cutting and maintains a great precision over a long period of time. Vesta 2000. The Vesta 2000 utilizes spindles and machining control software that have been developed with Hwacheon's technological expertise to achieve fast and stable machining results. Hyrex 4000. The Hyrex is a vertical column traversing machining center that has an axis with 4-meter long feed distance.